Hi friends, today we're going to work with TeckWrapCraft Sublimation Transfer Paper. This is our new sublimation transfer paper and you can find it over at TeckWrapCraft.com. I made this design in Illustrator and these are the fonts that I used to make the design. I made two designs. This one I am going to try it on a future video with puff vinyl. And this one, this one here, I am going to use the sublimation transfer paper to make this design on a new shirt I bought. Once I have my designs done, I make sure that I have the correct size. This one is going to be 11 by 8.5. I am going to use a large t-shirt, so that's the recommended size for the back of my t-shirt. These little ones are 3 by 3 because I am going to put those on a pocket the shirt has. So I am going to make sure that I have the mirror effect in Illustrator and I have the best quality to make sure that these designs come up super cool and super vibrant on our shirts. Before we continue, I want to share something about TeckWrapCraft Sublimation Transfer Paper. This is their previous sublimation transfer paper. I used it before and I noticed the difference already. You will see the paper had two sides, white and pink, and it was very difficult to identify which side you had to print your design in order to press it. Right now, the new paper comes with the back side of the paper with their logo, and now you know for sure which side of the paper you have to use. There is no difference in the amount of sheets you will get. It's 100 sheets per box, and the quality of the paper, the quality of the color, it's the same. It's really good, and I really love these brand. So if you haven't tried it yet, I think it's a good time to try it. You can find these over at TeckWrapCraft.com. Here's my design. I am printing my design on an Epson Eco Tank, and I bought it and I use it only for my sublimation projects. That's it. I don't use it for anything else, but that's the printer I use. And here I am pressing. I am going to press my design with my Cricut heat press. What temperature we use? I'm glad you asked. If you are wondering which temperature you should use, what works for me is 350 for 35 seconds. I have used 315 before and I have to go over the design and press it again. So 350 for 35 seconds, it's what works for me. So I hope I help you some way. We are almost done. So I want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, you can do it. You can subscribe to this channel. That way you will get notifications for future videos. We have a lot of other creators that share inspirations. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe to this button. Subscribe to this channel. Press the subscribe button. That's what I wanted to say. And now we are going to press on the pocket. Remember, 350 for 35 seconds works wonders for me. So yeah, we're going to see the result real quick. We we are almost done, and this is how it looks. I really love it. And this is the back of the t-shirt. I hope you like this video. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And this was Arlene from This Is Our House. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching us.